a small town called Tawau, most southern town in the country, where my memories unfurl, posted for years to serve my country. The sun on my face, the breeze in my hair, those were the days beyond compare. Oh Tawau, sweet Tawau, where the lonesome blues meet the sky so blue, reminiscing on the good times gone by. In this border town where the spirits fly, laughter, love, and joy abound. Oh, how I miss those days of yore. Time had passed and distance had grown, but in my heart Tawau's charm will always glow. The memories linger on in my heart, reminiscing on the good times gone by. So here's to Tawau, let the music play, in my heart will forever stay. The lonesome blues may bring a tear, but in Tawau town my heart holds dear.